Hi, I'm Cole with Leisure Time. We're here in Idaho Falls, Idaho today. We're removing this old tub and installing a brand new tub, so come along with us and see how it's done. So right now I'm just disconnecting the old tub and taking out the electrical so that we can use it on the new tub. One, two, three. There we go. It's a 3/4 inch hole, so it won't fit like the bigger part.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so we.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. Should be able to hole saw out a spot right here in front of the jet and then put it in practically the exact same spot. Alright, so we just got the tub all set in place, so now we're just filling it up, and while it's filling, we're going to put on the cover and the ozone. All right, so everything's set up and ready to go for the customer. So thank you for coming along with us, and we'll see you next time.